Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on or disable touchscreen on a Chromebook. So first open your Chrome browser and go to chrome://flags. Now here, search for keyboard. On the search results, go and find for debugging tools for UI. On the drop down menu, click on enabled and then click relaunch. Depending on the Chrome version you're using, the setting will show us debugging keyboard shortcuts. So it is basically the same. After restarting your Chrome browser, you are ready to turn on or disable your touchscreen on the Chromebook. So here's how to do it. On your keyboard, simultaneously press Shift, the search, and the T button on your keyboard. This shortcut will turn on or turn off your touchscreen on your Chromebook. So that's basically it.